What's that, Daddy?
Momo.
Chicken momos. May pasalubong na naman kami. That's why you called and asked if we have mayonnaise.
Because I don't want to use their mayonnaise.
Yeah, we have mayonnaise.
Have it, huh?
Dad,
Chicken momo.
chicken momo.
Yeah, momos. You wanna eat? Let's go! Ito yung dala ni Abby, guys. Merong steamed momos and meron ding fried momos. Gusto na kumain ng Meshka nitong fried. Come on. Yummy. Yung fried yung gustong-gusto ni Meshka eh. Ari sausawan pa mo?
Baby.
Balik ko siya, balik sa satu niya.
That is spicy.
Dahil Pinoy tayo, rice is life. Is it yummy?